So, paano ka nga ba magkakaroon ng experience kung wala kang experience pero gusto mo maging virtual assistant? Let's just say for the purpose of this video na ikaw ay estudyante na pag-graduate pa lang or graduate pa lang or after college, you met the love of your life, so stay at home mom ka, never ka pang nag-work. Or gusto mo lang magdagdag talaga sa portfolio mo kahit na 10 page na yung iyong experience, ganyan. By the way, hi, my name is Mary. I post easy to follow daily tasks that you can do to start your freelancing journey. So kung gusto mo na mag-transition to working from home, nagpo-post ako ng video everyday na pwede mong gawin na some sort of roadmap to fully transition to freelancing. Nagre-ready na tayo ng application book natin, patawid na tayo dun sa point na handang-handa na tayo mag-apply. Now, a lot of people would say, gusto kong mag-apply pero wala akong experience, and this is how you will gain experience. Ito dapat sa point na to medyo bawas na yung hiya mo or totally nawala na siya. Because I want you to write down 10 businesses within your area, whether it's run by friends, family, or halimbawa, si Aling Nena nagbebenta siya ng burgers, ganyan. Basta maglista kayo ng 10 businesses na pwede ninyong puntahan. This is also the best time to use your connection. Baka mali mo may kakilala ka pala na nagtuturo dito sa school na to or nagtatrabaho dito sa negosyo na to, mga ganon. Write down 10 businesses na pwede mong i-approach to offer some sort of OJT, on the job training, internship, kung ano pang gusto nyo itawag doon. You can also reach out to influencers. I highly recommend mga nano-influencers. Anything below 5,000, go for that. Pagkatapos ito, isulat nyo ha. I-check ninyo kung paano yung best way to reach them, either by letter, messenger, pwedeng tawagan, go for it. Hi, my name is Mary and I help kung anong industry nila, halimbawa, burger shops. Burger shops? Ano ba? Ulitan. Hi, my name is Mary and I help micro businesses by doing social media management. So, I see that you are the owner of Aling Nena's tindahan. And I noticed that a lot of your clients are ordering online through your Facebook page. However, I see that there are some minor adjustments that we can do that will definitely help improve your sales. Now, I am looking for 10 businesses that I can help out to add to my case study to see if this current strategy that I am working on is effective. I'm hoping that we can sit down for maybe an hour or two so I can show you my audit and how I can help your business. Please know that I'm very much open to any offers at the moment since again, this will be a win-win situation. Are you available today or tomorrow? Kung Pinoy naman yung kausap nyo, Tagalogin nyo na lang para mas straight to the point. Pagkatapos, after servicing their business, manghingi kayo ng video feedback at saka written feedback. Ganon. Again, huwag nyo kalimutan, i-document nyo yung journey nyo ha. Kasi tag nyo ako, tapos use the hashtag freelancer na me this 2023. Follow for more work from home cheese.